This might be the best snow shovel on the market. It's not even a snow shovel, it's a snow pusher. This is the SnowPlow, and this is the 48-inch model. Before I get started, I wish I bought the 36-inch model. Size doesn't always matter, and in this case, I'll explain why I should have got a smaller snowplow. But this is a great method for clearing the snow from your drive. If you've got a smooth drive, smooth walkway, this works really well. Works really well for a number of reasons. It's got a really sturdy handle. You've got the D-grip at the top here, but down the bottom end, you have this polyethylene scoop that allows you to just act as if you're a snowplow clearing the roads. It's fantastic. If you do come across some harder ice, maybe you've driven over the snow already, you can turn this around and chip it away. And the reason it works so well at being able to chip things away when you turn it over is you've got the solid handle, and that's connected to the plow by this black bracket here. This has got 5 bolts securing it to the plow. Unbelievably solid. It's going to chip away any of that harder ice or compacted snow because you've driven over it. So let me show you how well this works and why a smaller version is going to be better. This snow shovel works really well with a few inches of snow, but let's just see how quickly I can clear this area right here. We've got it lined up, and we're just going to This is really wet, heavy snow, so we're going to do this in smaller passes. Problem with having a 48-inch wide snowplow. Sounds great being able to clear a larger width in one pass, but then you fall into the problem of being it's just too heavy to keep on pushing or get to the side of your drive. There's no point in then just leaving a big pile in the middle of your drive. That's not what we're wanting to do. So I'd recommend 36-inch wide as your max. If you have stairs, like I have stairs, this is too wide to clear off the stairs. But I could always cut this down if need be.